Welcome to today's video on how to fix grayed out cellular data on iPhone. If you are facing this frustrating issue of not being able to toggle your cellular data, don't worry. I am here to guide you through some simple fixes. Turn off and back on cellular service. First, try the simplest solution. Open your control center and tap the green cellular icon to turn it off. Wait a few seconds, then tap it again and turn it on again. This can often reset the connection and resolve the issue. Next, we will check for any content restriction that might be affected your cellular data. Go to settings, scroll down and select the screen time. Tap on content and privacy restriction. If this is enabled, you might need to enter your screen time passcode. Once in, make sure that cellular data changes is set to allow. If you have lockdown mode enabled, this could also be causing the problem. Navigate back to settings, then select privacy and security. Scroll down to find lockdown mode and ensure it is turned off. If your iPhone is managed by an organization, there might be a mobile device management profile restriction your settings. Go to settings, tap on general, then select VPN and device management. Check if there's a profile installed that could be limiting your cellular data access. Finally, if none of these steps work, consider resetting your network settings. Go to settings, tap on general and scroll down and select transfer or reset iPhone. Then tap on reset and choose reset network settings. Keep in mind that this will erase saved Wi-Fi password. So make sure you have those handy. And that's it. If this solution helps you fix the grayed out cellular data issue, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.